You can see what I'm saying. That's a beautiful waterfall right there. I'm at a very, very beautiful hotel here in Kenya. It's near the capital city. It's around 40 kilometers from the... Hello, beautiful people. Let's Cyril Collect here again. Guys, I know it's been long since I posted a video. And today I'm at a very, very exclusive and beautiful place here in Kenya. And just wanted to show you the beautiful scenes right from where I am. I'm not going to do very dangerous turns and go deep into the water. So I'm just going to turn the camera, or I'm just going to tilt the camera like this so you can see what I'm saying. Let me try to zoom in. You can see what I'm saying. That's a beautiful waterfall right there. I'm at a very, very beautiful hotel here in Kenya. It's near the capital city. It's around 40 kilometers from the capital city. So yeah, it's a very, very beautiful scenery. If I turn the camera, when I turn the camera, you can see those are that is the hotel there. And then when I turn again the camera, you can see the waterfall. So let me turn the camera for you so that you can see live. So that's it, guys. That's it. You can see the water is falling and forming some kind of mist or something. And then that's the dense forest. Let me try and wipe the camera. There's a dense forest there. It's very, very thick. You can see for yourself. The water is flowing from under the bridge. You can see the bridge, and then there are cars passing. Cars passing under, above the bridge. It's very, very dirty water. This is brought about by soil erosion. You can see beautiful and live scenes from Kenya. This is fast hand. Let me try and walk.